Respected Sri Govind Singh Garu, my colleague Sridhar Rao Garu, Narayana Garu, and everybody associated with the film, production, everything. And a special thanks to Mr. Sudhir. Sudhir is a very good person. I know him for quite a while. And during my interaction with him, I always encouraged him, you live your passion. And I think he is really living his passion. I'm very happy. Because what happens when we join the job for our livelihood, we put aside our passion and we forget what we are supposed to achieve in life. But it's a great deal, great courage on the part of Sudhir that he is living his passion by taking leave. I mean, many of the people, they don't have courage to live the passion throughout their career. They keep on going through the grind, willingly or unwillingly. But on that regard, I find Sudhir has taken a very bold step. As far as the film is concerned, the opening first 5 minutes reveal that just like any other story plot, or maybe in reality, the other aggrieved person, either he commits suicide or he commits murder. So that was a bit of shocking to me. I thought that's one of the run-of-the-mill story. But in the end, what Sudhir did, with a lot of pain in his heart and pistol in his pocket, he turned back and silently went away. That was very, wonderful ending, in the sense that even though he was suffering a lot at the hands of the heroine, who was also supposedly watching in pain, but the ending, I felt, is open-ended for the viewer to judge what they're taking. But the ending part was very good. Sudhir came out very cleanly. That is a big social message to the society. That love is both sides. It cannot be unilateral. That a person should commit suicide or commit murder. It's not a good ending. It has to be both the sides. In society, this message should go. And I think if this is put on maybe YouTube or any other, this will convey a very deep message. And as far as the message part is concerned, the entire team has successfully done their work well. Although the film looks very small in the sense that it is 17 minutes only, but they are successfully able to convey the message. And I can imagine how much hard work has gone into making this film. I congratulate the entire team in making it a successful venture. And more than venture, I think it's conveying a very big social message. So congratulations to the entire team. And Sudhir, once again, thank you for calling me. And he really told me, sir, please come. Then I thought there must be something in the plot. Therefore, Sudhir is calling me again and again. So once again, Sudhir, thank you. Thanks a lot.
వేదికని అలంకరించిన పెద్దలు సభకి అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా కొలీగ్ త్రిపాఠి చాలా స్పష్టంగా చెప్పారు. అంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ అనాలిసిస్ చేశారు మొత్తం క్రిటిక్ లాగా ఫిలింని. సో పెద్దగా చెప్పాల్సిందేం లేదు. బట్ సుధీర్, మేమంతా కలిసి పనిచేస్తాము హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్లో. చాలా కమిటెడ్. మామూలుగా పనిలో కూడా, ఆఫీస్ పని కూడా ఎప్పుడు కూడా నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకపోవడము, ప్రతిదీ చాలా సిన్సియర్గా తీసుకొని చేయడము. సో ఆ ప్యాషన్ ఈ ఫిల్మ్ యాక్టింగ్లో కూడా కనిపించింది డెఫినెట్గా. అంటే ఇన్నర్ కోర్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఉంది, ఏదో సూపర్ఫిషియల్గా ఉన్న టాలెంట్ కాదు. ఈజ్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్సైడ్ కోర్. ఈజ్ వెరీ హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్, వెరీ సిన్సియర్ అండ్ వెరీ కమిటెడ్. సో ఆ క్వాలిటీస్ ఇవాళ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూస్తున్నప్పుడు కనిపించింది. నేను ఎప్పుడు తను ఏదో చిన్న చిన్న వీడియోస్ స్టేటస్లో పెట్టినవి చూసాను తప్పితే ఈ పెద్ద స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడలేదు. బట్ ఐ షుడ్ కంగ్రాచులేట్ యూ. చాలా బాగుంది మీ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ అంతా. ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఫిలిం it highlights your talent and your skills. I wish similarly the heroine also, she has done really well. Entire పెద్దగా ఎక్స్పోజర్ లేదు ఫిల్మ్ ఫీల్డ్ గురించి, బట్ ఐ నో ఈవెన్ చిన్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయాలంటే కూడా ఎంతో ఎఫర్ట్ వెళ్తుంది. ఇంతలా ఒక షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ చేయాలంటే ద మస్ట్ హావ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ టాలెంట్, మస్ట్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్, creativity, especially the music is fantastic. I don't think any major film ki తీసుపోతుందని అనుకోవట్లేదు. And similarly photography, shots, angles అంతా fantastic. I think everything, editing, when technical గా నాకు తెలియదు, but editing, so many things, it looks like just a feature film, regular feature film. Only scale, then scale up just it will be a nice full length feature film. Very nice this thing, and especially anta youngsters anta kalsi chesaru kabatti I think this effort requires great applause. Chala bagundi. I wish the entire team, you know, great success. Very future lo kuda inka manchi films chesi మీ కెరియర్ మీదైతే ప్యాషన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి అవకాశాలు వస్తాయనేసి నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా దేవుణ్ణి ప్రార్థిస్తూ మీ అందరికీ మరొకసారి శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతూ నేను సెలవు తీసుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
My colleagues from department, all senior personalities, colleagues from Sudhir. I know Sudhir since I think since Wednesday, when he was my PA when I was posted as IG Rayalaseema. I have worked with so many PAs, but his meticulousness, he is very, very sincere. Whatever job is entrusted to him, he will do it to the last detail. Anything we tell him, he will take it so sincerely. I know his commitment, his involvement, and today we can see the same. We can see the same involvement in his acting, as my colleagues have told. He is doing it with passion. So much of determination is required, involvement, commitment. It is not a small thing. I mean, just like my previous speaker told, that it's like a movie only. It is only the difference of time. Everything, if we see technically, everything is so fine. The music, the song, the quality of picture, and everything is so nice. The movie doesn't have dialogues, many dialogues. When movie doesn't have many dialogues, it becomes even more difficult for the actors in movie to convey the message. I think both Sudhir and the actress, they have done wonderful job in conveying the message. But as our Narayana Garu has told, it is both ways. I mean, not only the girls are doing it with boys, but boys are doing it also with girls. So the overall message is that we have to be careful in these relationships. It is the message for, I will say, for both gender, for society, for girls, for boys, for youngsters, that when they commit in relationship, they should be very sure, because it is very heartbreaking. It is an experience which can destroy one's personality, because this is something to do with heart, and it takes a lot of time to come back to again normalcy. So it is a message to entire society. Within 17 minutes, I think the entire crew of this film has given very, very effective message to society. I wish Sudhir, actress, and all other producer, director, everyone who is associated with this movie, all the best, and hope that many more movies will come out and you will be successful in making a regular film which can be hit on commercial scale. Thank you. All the best.